Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre on the first day of March. In the Western Cape, we're expecting a particularly windy afternoon and evening, while it's going to be hot for the next 2 days over the western parts of South Africa, and the South African Weather Service warns against a high fire danger over the western interior. That's due to very hot conditions, strong winds and very dry weather as well. Taking a look at our past 12-hour satellite loop, it remained mostly cloudy over the eastern parts of the country after thunder showers occurred overnight, and we can see a cold front moving in from the south, approaching the southern Cape coastline, and that's what's going to bring cooler weather over the southern parts during the course of the next 24 hours. Light rain is limited to the southern and southeastern coastline and adjacent interior. We're keeping the forecast for Cape Town dry. Thunderstorms are likely once again over the central parts of South Africa, with a greater likelihood on the Highveld and over KwaZulu-Natal. Let's see what our futurecast indicates for the next 24 hours. As the front approaches the southern coastline, we're expecting very strong winds to develop over the western parts of South Africa. The cloud and rain clears from the south coast overnight, but we're expecting a wet day along the east coast on Monday. It will be significantly cooler on the Highveld as well as the interior of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, but it becomes very hot in the west. Winds for today remain strong in Cape Town, speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour, a fresh southeasterly breeze in George, Sutherland and the R. Light winds though over the northern parts of the country, and we're expecting fresh southwesterlies in East London. Along the Eastern Cape coastline, maximum temperatures up to 24 degrees, 23 in Bishu, Cape Town with a high of 28, 38 degrees in Uppington today, and Pretoria over northern Gauteng with a high of 29. Cooler conditions over the southern and eastern interior overnight, down to 11 degrees in Bethlehem, 13 in Johannesburg, Bloemfontein and Graafrenet. Cape Town dropping to 18 degrees overnight, and it's a cool start to the day in Sutherland with an overnight low of 7. In Durban, we're expecting, after clear calm conditions earlier today, a mostly cloudy afternoon with a possibility of light rain, a daytime high of 26 and moderate to fresh southwesterlies, which will become stronger towards the evening when there's a 60% chance of light rain, an overnight low of 20 degrees. On Monday, cooler weather over the eastern parts of South Africa, maximums mainly below 25 degrees on the Highveld, but it's going to become clear and very hot in the west, with Cape Town reaching a maximum of 34. The hot trend continues on Tuesday with a high of 38 possible in the mother city, clearing along the southeastern coastline, and we're not expecting rain in the east with thunderstorms in the Karoo. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful day.